अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है आपका। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जरी फैशन वर्ल्ड। दोस्तों, टुडे वीडियो इज मोस्ट ट्रेंडिंग फुल एंड क्रिएटिव। फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट। बिफोर please watching my video, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and comment me friends, and please share my video with all family members, cousins, and with close your best friends. Hope you are my friends. Friends, please make my video awesome. Please watch my full video and make it enjoy and see the all style design fashionable style. Friends, our 3 channel fashion. First channel Daily Fashion World, second channel Unique Fashion Ikra, and third channel Flower Choice. And we are talking about these 3 channels. First channel, Daily Fashion World. Now you seen Daily Fashion World is about fashion, all style, fashionable style, word style. And second channel Unique Fashion Ikra is about its same fashion or same style. Friends, please subscribe my 2 channels. First channel Daily Fashion World, second channel Unique Fashion Ikra. Please friends, I request you. And friends, third channel, I tell you, Flower Choice. Flower Choice is about flower quotations, flower pictures, inspirational quotations, life quotations, friendship quotations, and or love quotations, flower quotations. All quotations is present on her channel, Flower Choice. And friends, bird of paradise, flowers, lily flowers, all design is present. So friends, please subscribe my 3 channel and watch my full video. Thanks.